Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on the Universe, and a few days ago the brand new LEGO Star Wars UCS Mars Eisley Cantina set was revealed. We got two images of the set. We got the front of the box, and then we also got the set all built up. And from them images we could take a clear look of the set. We know all the figures. I've got an image of the figures listed, so you can take a look at them for yourself. And essentially we could see all the exterior of the Mars Eisley set, and we found out that we get two sections. You get the big Mars Eisley Cantina, and then you get a little expansion as well, and then you get about 21 minifigures. And the images are pretty clear. I've got them on the screen right now. You can see all the images. But there's one thing that a lot of people have been wondering, and that is, does this set have an interior? And I think a lot of people knew that this was going to have an interior, because it would be kind of dumb for LEGO not to include an interior in this set, because the interior is one of the most important parts. So yeah, this thing does have an interior, but people have been wondering, what does the interior look like, and does it have all of them memorable scenes from the Star Wars movies? Answer is yes, it does. And the interior looks pretty good. We've got some images of the interior. They're on the screen right now, and pretty clear images. This is the first look we've got at the interior section. You can see that we've got the Cantina, which actually looks pretty good, and then we've got a lot of memorable scenes. I'm just going to focus in particular on this scene right here. So this is Han Solo sitting down on a chair, and a lot of people were wondering if the Han Solo vs. Greedo scene is going to be in this set, and the answer is yes, I think. So it looks exactly like that. Is in the set, so that's actually really cool. And then you can see a bit of the other interiors as well, and is divided into a lot of sections, and it does open up. That's been something a lot of people have been wondering, because a lot of people thought that you might have to access it from the top, but the thing does open up, so it is sort of like the other Mos Eisley sets that we've had before. And honestly, I think it looks pretty good. I like the interior. The little expansion, we don't have any images for that interior. I don't know if it does have an interior, to be honest, but when we get images of that, I will tell you guys and keep you notified with that. So with that being said, everybody, this is the end of the video. If you did enjoy it, then why not subscribe and turn on notifications, as well as like the video as well. And let me know in the comment section below, do you like the interior in this thing, and what do you think of the exterior as well? Do you like the set as a whole, and will you be picking it up? Because I mean, a lot of people couldn't really make their speculations and their opinions on the set, because we only saw the exterior, but now we have the interior. What do you think of the set as a whole? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was useful to you. So peace out.